Good day. My name is Don Forrest, Senior Advisor for New Wei-Ming Law Group. My colleagues and I have helped scores of clients succeed with their permanent residency petitions. To start the process, a client's identification and preparation of relevant and basic information are absolutely critical. I will discuss input required for preparation of letters of recommendation and petition letters. This guidance applies for all categories, including EB-1A, NIW, and other relevant categories. Letters of recommendation. One of the first steps in providing information for the preparation of a petition letter is choosing referees who can enhance your chances of approval via their recommendation letters. With growing number of applicants for permanent residency, USIS has placed renewed emphasis on existing guidelines to determine whether your contributions are original, recognized widely, of major significance, impactful, and generally important to your respective discipline by credible independent sources who are familiar with your work in your chosen field. We strongly advise that you choose referees who are independent and have cited your work, this is critical, in their publications. USIS officers place much greater value on independent referees who have used or cited your work, as their statements offer stronger, more objective evidence of your contributions. 4 letters from referees who have cited your work is advisable and recommended to support your case, no more than that. These provide much more value than letters from individuals who are in your immediate circle, such as those who have served as your thesis committee or graduate student advisors or immediate mentors. In fact, USIS will discount some of those more dependent letters significantly. If these are difficult to obtain, namely independent referees, a letter from a collaborator or research mentor may be helpful if you provide us with a detailed description of why your input was important and impactful. Many letters, no matter how convincing, are not advisable. In other words, in excess of 4. In fact, USIS has indicated in RFE notices that submission of solicited letters of supporting the petition is not presumptive evidence of eligibility. Choose referees wisely and according to our guidelines as noted below. There are 3 basic guidelines for choosing referees. Prominent and important among them is choose someone who's prominent, independent, and cited your work. As I indicated previously, prominent independent referees who have cited your most important research, preferably first or co-first authored, that is well cited, is the most important criteria in selecting a potential referee. We will need the articles in which they cited your work, highlighting what was cited and your cited article. International. So USIS can confirm that your research is valued by researchers around the world. It is advisable that your confirmed group of referees include at least, perhaps several individuals outside the United States. Areas of research. The third area. Try as much as possible to ensure that your confirmed referees as a group cover all of your most important achievements in areas of research. For instance, 4 referees who only discuss one area out of 4 is not recommended. Try to cover the waterfront on what your accomplishments are in these letters. So let's move on now to how the letters and other information relates to the preparation of petition letters. Other input required for the preparation of letters of recommendation, including an updated CV, research statement, publications, manuscripts that are accepted for publication. Those that are only submitted, not yet not accepted, are really not acceptable evidence. Citation highlights will also help us prepare the eventual petition letter. A critical building block for letters of recommendation and petition letters is the research statement. Please ensure that your research statement follows the format provided in the sample materials provided to you in the exhibit materials that we provide all clients. It should include a brief paragraph describing your major areas of research, where you earned your graduate degree, special experience and achievements, total number of citations, and other relevant information. This does not have to be exhaustive, just in a summary paragraph. The most important part of the research statement, which is longer, is a description of your major research accomplishments. your contribution, and the significance of your research achievements for the overall discipline, and the publications and conferences that correspond to each area of your research and accomplishments. Simply stating that your work has had a significant impact or your research is helping lead the discipline in new directions without providing more specifics is not sufficient. You have to be specific. If available, include any important citations of your work, media coverage, or other commentary by others under each area of accomplishment in the research statement. To complement the research statement and begin the process of drafting the petition letter, we'll also need you to save your publications. And as I mentioned, manuscripts that have been accepted for publication, your citation highlights, which include important citations of your research by others. Our guidelines for saving additional information, immigration, educational, and employment information, grants, and other information are straightforward and easy to follow. For NIW, we recommend that clients prepare a research plan, which briefly details in your own words how you are well positioned to advance your proposed research endeavor in your field. We provide a template to help clients accordingly. We support our clients through this entire process. We will answer any questions you may have about preparing letters of recommendation and the petition letter promptly. Thank you.